Good morning, everybody. How you guys doing today? It's Jake here with Outdoor Rushes, and me and Kimberly are up in Durango, Colorado. That's the Animas River right there, one of the most famous trout streams in America. We're doing a little fishing. We were up here a couple weeks ago. This is our anniversary trip. We came back up because we loved it so much. Beautiful place. We've already caught some fish. We've been up here for 2 days, haven't picked up this camera yet. We've just been enjoying ourselves, but Kimberly caught her first brook trout, hooked into the biggest trout of her life. You guys will see that in a second. But today is Saturday. Today's Saturday. We're packing up. We're going to move on to Pagosa Springs is where we're heading now. We're going to try some fishing over there. We've never been over there. Should be a lot of fun. Aspen's in the house. A crow just scared the crap out of me. But we're getting everything packed up right now, and we're going to head over there. Hopefully find some more places to fish. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any videos, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, I'm going to interrupt this video real quick. This is Jake from the future. We did not do a great job filming this video. We got a bunch of GoPro footage of fish catches, but other than that, we just enjoyed our time up there, didn't film that much. So the video is going to be kind of spotty, going to jump around quite a bit. But we did catch 7 species of fish. I think we got 5 of them on camera because we didn't film at one of the high mountain lakes we went to because it was raining and spitting snow too bad. But it was a lot of fun. I mean, that place is so gorgeous. If you haven't been up there, you have to go just check it out. We know the streams were too high. We're already planning a trip back in July to be able to go back. So it's an amazing, amazing place. So enjoy the video. We hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn on post notifications. We'll see you on the other side.
That's why they call it fishing and not catching. Excuse me. We haven't had any second caffeine today either. I'm okay at the moment. I'll feel it before we go to bed. Yeah, I should have grabbed it. Oh! I had a bite. Yay. I wasn't paying enough attention though. I was seeing if I had a mosquito.
You had a bite?
I know, it was really close.
Was it?
I was stripping. Then I let it stop.
Oh.
Oh,
what is that?
I don't know, but it feels big.
Well, let it run. If it needs to run, let it run. You only got 4-pound fish on there.
6.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's a good sized rainbow.
Okay, I'm gonna try and let it be
Let him run.
I know, but I'm making sure that my GoPro can see it too. I'm being cognizant. Yeah. Do we have anything? I think we can net him. I think it's a big rainbow.
Huh?
I think it's a big rainbow.
What's that? Big rainbow. Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh my.
Back up. Back up, buddy.
Oh no!
Oh,
I wasn't letting go of my line as I was backing up.
yeah, you got it. Like, you're gonna learn with bigger fish. Like, it's gonna be a learning process.
Oh,
Okay.
I got him further than I thought.
I did. Yeah, I thought you could break them off so much sooner. Did you just pull out?
Yeah. I wasn't thinking. You told me to back up, so that was my focus, not to fall.
Yeah, you gotta let line out.
Darn it.
But still, you hooked a. That's a big trout.
It was a big trout.
That's your biggest trout of your career.
I mean, I felt that difference. Elevation.
Elevation. Woo! This is a killer.
Come on, sweetie. No, I was gonna go this way.
Well, we saw a couple fish rising, so
Aspen? I'm not down.
hopefully that means
There's fish.
there's fish in this lake. The wind is blowing directly into our face.
That's great.
Oh, yep, there's a fish.
Yeah.
I seen it. but they're way over there. But that means there's fish in here.
That means there's fish. We're off to a better start.
Oh, I got one.
Oh, shit.
Oh, dang it. And he freaking hit the leech and then somehow came off and felt like it snagged on the chironomid for a second, then it was gone.
Oh!
Oh, there you go.
I wasn't even paying attention.
Shoot, and my freaking net's all jacked up.
Okay.
That's a nice fish.
No.
Keep tension on it. Reel. Get him on the reel. Keep tension. Keep a bend in your rod, dear.
Well, I'm trying. This is hard.
Yeah, I know. Keep it.
This is hard.
I know. I think that's a brookie.
Oh
I can
my
see
gosh.
white tips. Reel.
But it's too tight. I don't want to lose him. I'm so nervous. I don't know what to do.
Just stay calm. Just strip it if that's what you feel comfortable doing. Okay?
I just feel like it's super tight.
Yeah, it's supposed to be. You're supposed to keep a bend in that rod.
Oh my god.
That is a brookie.
It is a brookie.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful, dear. What are you trying to do? You caught your first ever brook trout. It is a beautiful Colorado brookie. Look at it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Wow, that thing is gorgeous.
Wow.
Look at it.
I was so afraid.
I don't see your fly.
It's in it. I saw its line. I saw my line.
Did you?
Yeah. I'm not holding on to my rod though.
Okay. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh, those teeth. Have you ever felt brook trout's teeth?
I've never caught one. I've only seen you catch that one. Remember that one?
Yep.
Aspen, get back.
It's barely hooked.
Really?
Yeah. Like barely hooked.
Oh wow.
Look how beautiful he is.
Oh my god.
All right.
Let's let him go. I got a brook trout.
I know, how do you feel?
I kind of want to cry. My hand's really cold.
Yeah. And look at the surrounding.
I know.
Like that's where you caught it. Here.
It's where it's supposed to be.
I know. Wow, babe. Oh, that was a fish. That's a fish that keeps hitting it. There it is. This is going to be difficult to land. Yeah, good thing it's small.
Yeah.
Where's my net? Oh, it's so beautiful though. I got one. He hit it like 5 times.
Really?
Yeah.
You gotta go get some more, boo. Aspen, you're sitting in the water.
Did your hook come out? Yeah. Hook came out. Yeah, got a Colorado brookie.
Yay! I'm so happy.
Look at that guy.
Was mine bigger?
Yeah, oh yeah.
I'm sorry.
It's alright.
Oh my gosh, this is so pretty.
Look at that guy. Look at those fins. Right back in there he goes. I caught one. Whew. I got it. Whew. I caught one, dear. It was tiny, but I caught one. It was tiny. It was the biggest brook trout, no, second biggest brook trout I ever caught. I just had a smallmouth bass chase this.
Nuh-uh.
I'm not even kidding.
Smallmouth?
Yeah, it looked like a smallmouth.
Like how big?
Like probably a pound.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, there it is. Oh, he ate. There's 2 of them.
I know he ate it. I think I pulled it out of his mouth.
You did. Oh, he ate you.
I got a small one.
You got one. Heck yeah, babe. You don't need help with that, do
No,
you?
I know.
That's a nice one. Oh,
pulling.
there's a big one.
He's freaking pulling. No!
Aspen!
Jake!
Aspen,
Jake!
no!
Jake! I still need help.
No!
Sorry, fish.
No. That's your biggest smallmouth.
Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah.
It's okay. Wow. She got a little violent on that one.
Yeah, she did.
Aspen, no.
Okay. We're just gonna let him go.
Just rinse him off and let's get a good view of him. Babe, it's just a smallmouth. Just gotta lip him.
On the
Hey,
bank.
that's your biggest smallmouth. Look at that.
Yay!
Another species.
Woo!
See, just fine. I did not think this was possible here. I did not know there was smallmouth in here.
No.
Did you?
No, it didn't say.
Oh, there he is. You got him. Oh, that's a nice one.
I need
You
you.
still got him?
Yeah. I need you. I need you.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, babe. That's a real nice one. He's trying to see him try to scrape the rock to get it out of his mouth. Come on, reel in. Let go of the reel if he goes to run. Don't try to reel backwards. Aspen. Smallmouth fight so hard, don't they? Come on, reel.
He's pulling.
Start backing up. Keep tension. Oh my gosh, that thing is so fat. Oh, that's like a 2-pounder.
Oh my god. We gotta take a picture and send that to my dad.
Yes.
We wanted to catch some smallmouth.
I did not
I didn't see
expect
that.
this.
No.
All right, let him go.
Oh my god.
That's your biggest smallmouth ever. Just let him go. There he goes. Oh my gosh, dear.
Wow.
Here.
That's my biggest bass in a while.
Oh, in a long while.
Like since our kayak back in Fish Creek.
Yeah.
I just started recording just to make a little video with my phone. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think it's a brown. I just took out my phone to like show people that they could call this a creek.
The brown.
Oh god. Yay!
Where's my net? It's a nice brown.
Yeah, it is.
There he is. Look at that.
Oh my god! You're throwing fish out of the creek.
I know. That was my only goal. Can you hold that for a sec?
Not really. Not if you want me to record this.
Second cast in the air. First good cast.
Wow.
And then I got it in the water.
Yeah. I don't know what you want me to do.
No, I need to. Don't let her step on that.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay. And she can't move any further. My arm is looped.
Here we go. Look at that.
God, dear. Oh!
Oh, there he is.
There he goes. Aspen.
It wasn't the most graceful, but
Aspen.
wow. That was an amazing brown.
Yeah. Come on, fish, make my vacation.
Drop it. Move it. There he is.
Yay. I'm good now.
There he is.
All right, we can go back to the creeks. Oh, Jesus.
That was a nice one.
I know, I can't get it. That's a fat little guy.
Yeah, he is. Look at him.
Oh my God. Watch her up. Yay. Look at his fins.
I know.
That's cool. Oh, no, no, no.
No. So there we go. That was the video. Kimberly caught a big brookie, her first brookie of her life. A big smallmouth. That's her biggest smallmouth of her life. Both of them were. So she broke her PB in 1, 2, 3 casts right there. Nice brown trout out of the stream that we went to. The brookies were absolutely beautiful. The little lake that they were in was gorgeous. The peaks, the mountains, there's still snow on the ground. It was just an amazing trip, and we can't wait to get back up there. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, like this video. We'll see you on the next one. Hopefully we do a better time filming next time. Hope you guys liked it.